Hey guys, it's another edition of your everyday computer software tips and tricks, and today I have for you a very simple tip about how you can create these beautiful mockups you see here of a website. So maybe you might have probably visited a website or your own website and you wish you could put or place them in beautiful mockup device mockups, as you can see over here. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily create this mockups you see here with any website that you visit, and it gives you a preview about how the website looks on different devices. So without wasting time, let's jump in. So I'm on a website which is a website for a pet shop, and I want to create a mockup for this website. Now to do this, all I have to do is copy the URL of this website and then head over to a website known as techscene.com/multi-mockup/index.php. I'll leave a link in the description below, which you can just click and then it will take you to the website. So this is the website, techscene.com/multi-mockup/index.php. So just hit enter and then it will open the website for you. Now to create a mockup, it's very easy. All you need to do is just copy the URL copied. You just need to paste it here and just say generate mockup. Now it'll just take a few seconds, and as you can see, the website is nicely loaded onto the different devices on your screen. Now there are also options to this. You can decide to disable some of the devices. For instance, you can turn off the iMac, MacBook, depending on which devices you want. If let's just say you want just the phone, you can disable all the other devices and just have the phone on display over here, and you can just turn them back on. You can rearrange their positions. Maybe you don't want the way it's arranged, you can change the positions to fit your to fit how you want it. And you can also increase the sizes, go to larger mockups. You can change the perspective to left or right, and you can also do the front perspective as it was before. So, and you can also toggle with the background if you want a different background to this to make it more, or to make it look more appealing. You also have the option to change the background colors. Once you are okay with what you see, now it's time to download. Now when you click download, it will tell you to install this, how to take the screenshots, install the Fireshot Chrome extension, which you can just use to save, but I don't use that. I don't use this extension. So normally what I do is I just make sure everything is in the middle, and I just click on print screen on my keyboard, and then just head back to paint, open paint, and then just paste whatever I have here. And when I'm here, I can just go ahead and then just crop the area I'm interested in out, and I'll just have my mockup ready to go. So yeah, that is how you can easily create a mockup. You can even scroll through and see how it looks like. For demonstration purposes, let's just use another website and see how it turns out. So I've opened a different website here, which looks like an e-commerce store website. So again, you can just go ahead, copy the URL, head over to our device Mockup Generator again, and just copy and just paste the URL here. Hit on generate mockup, and as you can see, we have another nicely done mockup design for us. You can scroll through, get different sections of the website showing. We can just scroll through each of the devices, and this is very, it comes in handy when you don't want to spend much time to generate a mockup having to go to Photoshop or Illustrator to get this nice mockup done for you. So again, you can go through the process of disabling some of the devices and enabling some, repositioning them, and you are good to go. So yeah, this is a very simple way to generate device website mockups, and you can also use this to check the responsiveness of a website that you visit. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to comment or like the video so that it helps the algorithm push this video to many other viewers. And also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new computer software tips and trick videos that I'll be uploading soon. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.